Now on our USD Swiss franc, we will let's start with our daily time frame, by the way, so it will be easier. As we can see on our daily time frame, we are actually falling on our daily time frame, which is we are actually on a bearish move on our USD Swiss franc, and we should aim to sell this position. At least this our lows here. We can see our price came here, then it bounced up, it also came here and it bounced up. That's serving as a support level here, right? Now our USD itself is actually coming again, and I bet that for this week our USD Swiss franc will actually hit this our support level before we actually continue to go bullish, by the way. So this week, as we are aiming for, is that we should actually get a drop to this our support level before we consider taking a buy on our USD Swiss franc. That is what we aiming for. Now let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. You can see for a retracement, we actually add another 4 again. Now we are gotten a retracement here. We actually add another 4 here. We add the retracement, another 4 again. So we will continue to see that 4 again. So but before that, before you actually take your sell position, I will let us actually get a retracement to around this key level area where our price broke below it. Once we have that retracement to our price where our price broke below, then we can actually now take our sell on our euro USD Swiss franc to around 0.9400. What we are aiming for the week, 0.9400. Then we can consider going bullish. First of all, let us short our USD to our Swiss franc before continue taking our buy on our USD Swiss franc.